OG gutter support bracket should be positioned 150 mm from each corner and the remainder equally spaced. To fit the brackets, place the top of the bracket into the groove on the eaves beam. Pull the bracket downwards until it locks into place. Hang the front edge of the gutter onto the bracket and rotate up the back of the bracket as shown. Fit only to the first click. Don't push all the way up. Where there are stop ends or outlets on the gutter, you'll need gutter joint clips to fix these in place. Position the gutter joint clips over the gutter. Slide up the back of the gutter until the hooks engage over the gutter. Pull up the front of the joints and clip over the gutter. Once the clips are in place, you can push the gutter up into its final position. With the gutter and clips in place, you can now fit the downpipes and brackets. You'll need to cut the round downpipe into 2 lengths and join them together by use of the downpipe bends to allow the round downpipe to sweep over the sill and down the dwarf wall to the ground. The cut in the round downpipe is to produce 2 lengths that suit the height of the window frames and the dwarf wall. Push fit the downpipe onto the spigot of the stop end outlet. Connect the downpipe shoe to the base of the downpipe. Fix the downpipe in position by use of the downpipe retention clips. They can be clipped over the downpipe and fixed into position with the screws provided. Note, to ensure adequate drainage, it is important that all round downpipes supplied are fitted.